Hey guys, welcome to MathCube with me Navya. In this video, we're going to learn about exercise 8.2 from Introduction to Trigonometry from class and CBSE. So if you have any doubt about trigonometrical formula, functions, table, diagram, I have uploaded the trigonometric basic video previously. The link is in the description and is also available in the playlist. You can check it out. So we'll move on to our first question. Is sine 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree divided by secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. So இதோட previous exercise பார்த்தா trigonometrical ratios பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் சம் ஃபைன் பண்ண சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க. பட் இந்த எக்ஸசைஸ் trigonometrical table பேஸ் பண்ணி சம் ஃபைன் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ if you know the table very well, you can attend any sort of trigonometrical table sums very easily. So first three trigonometrical functions are reciprocal than the next three trigonometrical functions. So if you see in this sum, sine 30 degree that is 1 by 2, tan 45 degree that is 1, cosecant 60 degree that is 1 divided by sine 60 degree that is 2 divided by square root of 3. Next secant 30 degree that is 1 divided by cos 30 degree that is 2 divided by square root of 3. Next cos of 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Cot 45 degree that is 1 divided by tan 45 that is 1 by 1 that is equal to 1. Now we have to substitute the values. So 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 divided by square root of 3 divided by 2 divided by square root of 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Now in the numerator we have to take LCM for 2 and square root of 3. So we'll get square root of 3 plus 1 into 2 into square root of 3 minus 2 into 2 divided by 2 into square root of 3. So in denominator also we have to take LCM. So we'll get 2 into 2 plus 1 into square root of 3 plus 1 into square root of 3 into 2 divided by 2 into square root of 3. So after we do multiplication, we'll get square root of 3 plus 2 into square root of 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus square root of 3 plus 2 into square root of 3. So we'll get 3 square root of 3 minus 4 divided by 3 square root of 3 plus 4. Now this step is a little bit of complication. Nama next step panlana, it's rationalizing method. What is rationalizing method? Now we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. அதாவது if we have positive sign in the denominator, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with a negative sign. இதுவே நம்மளுக்கு negative sign இருந்துச்சுன்னா we have to multiply positive sign in the numerator and the denominator. So இது ஏன் பண்ணுறோன்னா to make the calculation very easier. Generally square root, cubic root இல்லை வேறு ஏதாவது radical expressions இந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை ஈஸியாக எக்ஸ்க்ளூட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு or கேன்சல் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி rationalizing method யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். So we see to it 3 square root of 3 minus 4 divided by 3 square root of 3 plus 4 into 3 square root of 3 minus 4 divided by 3 square root of 3 minus 4. Denominatorல plus sign இருக்கு. So நம்ம next multiply பண்ணுறது minus sign வச்சு multiply பண்ணும். So now when we multiply both, we'll get 3 square root of 3 minus 4 to the power of whole square and 3 square root of 3 plus 4 into 3 square root of 3 minus 4. So now we can take it as a is equal to 3 square root of 3 and b is equal to 4. And if you see the numerator, it is in the form of a minus b to the power of whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write it as 3 square root of 3 to the power of whole square minus 2 into 3 square root of 3 into 4 plus 4 square. So if you see the denominator, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So we can write it as 3 square root of 3 to the power of whole square minus 4 square. So if we do the multiplication, we'll get 3 into 3 that is 9 and square root of 3 into square root of 3 that is 3. Minus 2 into 3 into 4 that is 24 into square root of 3 plus 4 square is 16. Divided by 3 square is 9 and square root of 3 square is 3. Minus 4 square is 16. So when we do multiplication, we'll get 27 minus 24 into square root of 3 plus 16 divided by 27 minus 16. So when we add 27 plus 16, we'll get 43 minus 24 into square root of 3 divided by 27 minus 16 is 11. So the answer is 43 minus 24 into square root of 3 divided by 11. We'll move on to our next question. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. Find 2a is equal to 2 sin a if true when a is equal to a 0 degree, b 30 degree, c 45 degree, d 60 degree. So we have to substitute each option in this equation and find which option satisfy the question and it will be the solution. அதாவது நம்மளுக்கு 4 choices கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. for 4 degree கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அந்த ஒவ்வொரு டிகிரியையும் நம்ம ஏல சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணணும். சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதுக்கு நம்ம ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு LHS is equal to RHSன்னு நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். எந்த ஆப்ஷனுக்கு LHS is equal to RHSன்னு வருதுன்னு செக் பண்ணணும். Okay, so we'll move on. So first we are checking option A, that is A is equal to 0 degree. So sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A, that is find 2 0 degree is equal to 2 find 0 degree. That is 2 into 0 degree, that is 0 degree. So find 0 degree is equal to 2 into find 0 degree. What is find 0 degree? That is 0. So 0 is equal to 2 into 0, that is 0 is equal to 0. So here we are getting LHS equal to RHS. So option A is correct. Now we need to check option B, that is A is equal to 30 degree. And sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A. So we'll get sin 2 30 degree is equal to 2 sin 30 degree. So 2 into 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. So we'll get sin 60 degree is equal to 2 sin 30 degree. So sin 60 order value is square root of 3 by 2 and sin 30 order value is 1 by 2. So when we substitute, we'll get square root of 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2. That is square root of 3 by 2 is equal to 1. And here square root of 3 by 2 will be not equal to 1. Correct? So option B is not possible. So now we have to check option C. That is A is equal to 40 degree and we have to substitute in sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A. So we'll get sin 2 45 degree is equal to 2 sin 45 degree. So 2 into 45 is 90. So we'll get sin 90 degree is equal to 2 into 45 degree. So sin 45 order value is 1 by square root of 2 and sin 90 order value is 1. So after we substitute, we'll get 1 is equal to 2 into 1 by square root of 2. And 2 we can also write it as square root of 2 into square root of 2. So we'll get 1 is equal to square root of 2 into square root of 2 into 1 divided by square root of 2. So square root of 2 and square root of 2 will get cancelled. So we'll get 1 is equal to square root of 2. But 1 will be not equal to square root of 2. So option C is also not possible. Now we have to check with the option D, that is A is equal to 60 degree. So when we substitute, we'll get sin 2 into 60 degree is equal to 2 sin 60 degree. That is equal to sin 120 degree is equal to 2 sin 60 degree. So sin 120 we can write it in the form of sin 90 plus 30 degree is equal to 2 sin 60 degree. Sin 90 plus 30 degree is in the form of sin A plus B. That is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So that is equal to sin 90 into cos 30 degree plus cos 90 degree into sin 30 degree. That is equal to 1 into square root of 3 by 2 is equal to 0 into 1 by 2. So after multiplying, we'll get just 3 by 2. That is equal to cos 30 degree. So sin 90 degree plus 30 degree is cos 30 degree. That is equal to 2 sin 60 degree. So when we substitute the value, we'll get square root of 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into square root of 3 by 2. That is equal to square root of 3 by 2 is equal to square root of 3. But square root of 3 divided by 2 will be not equal to square root of 3. So option D is also not possible. So only option A is correct. So now we move on to our next question. If tan A plus B is equal to square root of 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 divided by square root of 3. Now they have given two conditions. The first one is 0 degree should be less than A plus B should be lesser than or equal to 90 degree. And the second condition is A should be greater than B. Now we have to find the value of A and B. So it is given that tan A plus B is equal to square root of 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 divided by square root of 3. So we also know that tan 60 degree is equal to square root of 3 and tan 30 degree is equal to 1 divided by square root of 3. So we can write it as tan A plus B is equal to tan 60 degree. That is A plus B is equal to 60 degree. This is equation number 1. And in this side, tan A minus B is equal to tan 30 degree. So we can write it as A minus B is equal to 30 degree. This is equation number 2. Now we have to add both 1 and 2. So when we add, we'll get A plus B plus A minus B is equal to 60 degree plus 30 degree. That is equal to 2A is equal to 90 degree. So A is equal to 90 divided by 2. That is A is equal to 45 degree. Now we have to substitute A is equal to 45 degree in equation number 1. 45 degree plus B is equal to 60 degree. So B is equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree. That is B is equal to 15 degree. So we got A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 15 degree. We'll see another type in this model. For 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 tan square 30 degree is equal to A cos 60 degree, B sin 60 degree, C tan 60 degree and D sin 30 degree. So here we have to find the value for this question and find which option is correct. So here we know that tan 30 degree is equal to 1 divided by square root of 3. So when we substitute, we'll get 2 into 1 divided by square root of 3 divided by 1 minus 1 divided by square root of 3 to the power of whole square. So when we multiply, we get 2 divided by square root of 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. So square root of 3 and square root will get cancelled. So we just write it as 1 by 3. So the next step is 2 divided by square root of 3 divided by, when we take LCM, we'll get 3 minus 1 divided by square root of 3. So that is 2 divided by square root of 3 into 3 by 2. That is equal to square root of 3 into square root of 3 divided by square root of 3. That is 3, we can write it as square root of 3 into square root of 3. So square root of 3 and square root of 3 will get cancelled. So we just write it as square root of 3. So here tan 60 degrees is equal to square root of 3. So option C is correct. So we move on to our next question. State whether the following statement is true or false. Justify your answer. So they have given sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. So we have to prove whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. So we just assume A is equal to 30 degree and B is equal to 60 degree. So when we substitute in LHS, we'll get sin 30 degree plus 60 degree, that is equal to sin 90 degree. So LHS is equal to 1. So we see in RHS, that is sin 30 degree plus sin 60 degree, that is 1 by 2 plus square root of 3 by 2, that is square root of 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So therefore LHS is not equal to RHS, thus the statement is false. We'll see another model in this sum. Cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. So cot order reciprocal is tan. For tan A is equal to 0 degree. For tan 0 degree is equal to 0. So cot 0 degree is equal to 1 divided by tan 0 degree. That is 1 divided by 0. That is not defined. Thus this given statement is true. So in this video we have learned trigonometrical table sums from exercise 8.2. If you have any doubt, comment me on comment section. I have uploaded the exercise 8.1 and trigonometrical basic tricks videos in previously. The link is in the description and is also available in the playlist. You can check that out. Thank you.